Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be guiding you on how to stake on Kaito to qualify for rewards. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, please do well to support our channel by buying our educational token Wiki Cat built on the Binance Smart Chain. The contract address will be in the description. Thank you. Now let's get into the video. What is Kaito? Kaito is a Web3 information platform powered by AI, designed to aggregate, analyze, and reward crypto-related content and engagement. It operates in the InfoFi space, turning attention into tradable value through mechanisms like Yap Points. The native token Kaito is used for staking, governance, and assessing ecosystem rewards. Staking Kaito qualifies you for ecosystem airdrops from partner projects launching on Kaito. These airdrops distribute tokens to stakers, yappers, and NFT holders. Allocations scale with stake size, duration, and activity. There is a tutorial video on our channel on how to start yapping on Kaito. Do well to watch it to know how to go about yapping on Kaito. Now, how can you stake on Kaito? Staking happens on Base blockchain, and you receive sKAI, which is staked Kaito in returns, which accrues reward automatically and increases in value over time. Firstly, open your browser, then head to yaps.kaito.ai. Sign in with your X account. Just tap on the profile icon, then connect your X account. Once connected, tap on the 3 dash icon at the top. Then tap on Stake Kaito. So this is the staking dashboard. The annual percentage rate you earn on stake Kaito is 6.88%, meaning if you stake 100 Kaito, you earn 6.88 more over 1 year. You need to link the wallet that holds your Kaito. Now, how can you get Kaito tokens? You can buy on exchanges like Binance, OKS, Gate.io, Craving, or LBank. The Kaito must be on Base network to stake. Now, tap on Link wallet to stake, then link that wallet where you have your Kaito on Base. Select your wallet, then tap on Connect. Let's head back. So we have successfully connected our wallet. There is no minimum amount to stake. However, for meaningful participation in ecosystem airdrops, governance voting, and launchpad priority, the effective minimum is 5,000 Kaito tokens. Many partner airdrops use time-weighted snapshots, requiring 5,000 Kaito and above for eligibility. Now input your amount. You get sKAI in return, which is staked Kaito. Just tap on stake. You need to confirm in your connected wallet. Now let's go back. So we have successfully staked on Kaito. You can unstake at any time, but you can only withdraw 7 days after you unstaked. Now, how can you unstake? Just tap on unstake. Input your amount, maximum, then unstake. You also need to confirm it on your connected wallet to be able to unstake. So that's how to stake on Kaito. After staking, tap on the 3 dash icon at the top, then tap on airdrops. So this is the airdrop tab. Check the airdrop tab daily as claimable drops appears here. Claim if anything appears. Also yap effectively on X to earn Yap Points. Staking plus yapping will give you maximum points. I hope this video has been very helpful. If you have any questions, kindly drop it in the comment section as the team member will be available to answer your questions. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educative content. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video. Bye guys.